Hi, everyone, and welcome to CIS 101, Computer Fundamentals and Applications. And this is our fall 2024, and I am Professor Sandy Figueroa, who will be your instructor for the course for the entire semester. All right, and the way to get into our first week assignment is to go into Introduction. Okay, once you click into Course Home and you see a bit Computer CIS 101, Computer Fundamentals and Application. That's our course for this semester. Click into week 1 so that you will know what you have to do for the first week of our class. Remember, our class already started, or as soon as you see this, it's already started August the 28th. So click into week 1 Introduction, and you will see the task for the week. Review the course syllabus. This is where you're going to find the course syllabus. Introduce yourself. Okay, you'll see instructions on introducing yourself right here. Okay, and you're going to choose a team manager and team name, and you will put all that information in the discussion board. And you will also familiarize yourself with the online textbook. You will notice that when you go into the syllabus course info, you will notice that there is no textbook that we have, or the course textbook and supplementary materials will tell you that the textbook is an online textbook. This is a zero textbook cost, so all of your information and learning is going to come from the computer applications. So I just wanted to welcome you to our computer fundamentals and the CIS 101, computer fundamentals and applications. And I know that we will enjoy this class because everything that you have learned when you were in high school, when you were in a community college or another college, you must have taken at least one computer class. Also, some of you are working as IT people, managers. So everything that you've learned, we're just going to try to pinpoint it and focus it a little bit more. All right. And some of you who have never really thought about computers in your daily life, aside from, your emails and your texting and all of that, will get to see how you can use Excel on an everyday basis and Access on an everyday basis. So your first week assignment is here. And again, I'm Sandy Figueroa, your instructor for the course for this semester. And I know that we're going to have fun and enjoy the learning and enjoying each other's company. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye.